Hello, and welcome to this course on building dashboards with Google Sheets and Google Data Studio. If you work online, chances are you have Google Sheets stuffed full of data, maybe sitting there and not doing very much, and you'd love to visualize that data and make more sense of it. You heard about all these cool dashboard tools out there that magically turn all of that data into pretty charts and valuable insights, but you found them to be either too expensive or too clumsy and not customizable enough for what you want to do. Well, the good news is that Google Sheets themselves have an enormous amount of power to build beautiful, functional, and insightful dashboard reports. They're robust, scalable, and free, and they exist in the Google Cloud. This course is dedicated to showing you the necessary techniques to build your own dashboards using Google Sheets and Google's new dashboard tool, Data Studio. There are no prerequisites other than a basic familiarity with Google Sheets. The lessons are very practical and hands-on, and I'll teach you through building a series of dashboard examples rather than lecturing on theory and abstract concepts. There are only a few slides in this course, as most of the instruction is delivered through screencasts. We'll build 5 dashboards in Google Sheets during the course, and by the end of each chapter you'll have your own working version of each one. The first dashboard is a relatively simple retail sales dashboard, where we'll explore various dashboard concepts and how to structure our dashboard files. We'll see how we create dashboard front ends in Google Sheets. And the dashboard is covered in detail and should be very easy to follow for even those of you who are new to Google Sheets. The second dashboard we'll build is a dynamic dashboard, where we'll look at one of the most important concepts when building spreadsheet-based dashboards. We'll be using data validation and lookup formulas to add user inputs to our dashboard. This allows viewers to change what they see in a dashboard, so they can explore your data at their own leisure. In our third dashboard, we'll revisit the first sales dashboard, but this time add the dynamic controls so that users can then go and select different data points to see in this dashboard. The fourth dashboard is a real estate dashboard that uses Google Forms to collect real estate data from our fictitious agents. We'll be covering forms in detail and see how we can use them to collect data and how we can then import that into Google Sheets and build that into the workflow of our dashboard so that that data gets shown in the front-end dashboard. The fifth dashboard is a complex digital reporting dashboard. I'll be introducing the Google Analytics add-on, and we'll be using it to retrieve data from a Google Analytics account and then building our own dashboard. In addition, the next chapter goes into some of the more advanced topics such as web scraping to retrieve social media data and app script coding to add custom functionality to our dashboard. For example, emailing a PDF copy of our dashboard on a daily basis, or alerting us if our website goes down. And finally, in the final chapter, we'll take a look at Google's new dashboard tool called Data Studio. Introduced midway through 2016, it's a simple but very powerful tool for building business intelligence reports. And it's very, very quick at doing that. We'll look at some of the pros and cons and compare it to using Google Sheets. I'll cover the tool in great detail, so you'll be able to go away and build your own reports. So, welcome to this course on dashboards using Google Sheets and Data Studio. There's a lot of material to cover, and I'm really excited to show you the wonderful world of dashboards.